Hi everyone, this is Susan from GeoOverflow. Today we are going to learn a very basic thing in Jupyter Notebook that is embedded in ArcGIS Pro. Today in this lesson we will be learning on how can we import shapefile in any geodatabase using Python. So in this case, I'll be uploading an example of Bagmati district save file into Geodatabase. So let's see how it goes. So firstly, open your ArcMap, and once you open your ArcGIS Pro, click on this map to create a project. Once you click here, you will be asked to define the name and location of the project where you want to save it. So I'm going to add my respective folder where I will be creating this project. So I will be working under this Bagmati folder. I just select this folder and I will be clicking OK. If you want to create a folder inside this project, you can check this on. I already checked it on so that I can make some backup folder. Okay, Bagmati SSP. Okay, I can give this name in this project. So I'll be clicking OK after this. Once you click OK, you'll be directed to the first interface of the ArcGIS Pro that is opening the map. Once you are here, what you can do is, for your convenience, check your catalog. If it is not visible, you can go to view and click on catalog pane or catalog view. Catalog pane. Then you'll find it here on the favorite. Go to favorite. You can add your specific folder where you are working. Okay, this is the folder I am working, the Bagmati folder. So I will just add it here so that in case I need anything, I can work from here. I'll go to project for now. You can also check here in your folder when you create the Bagmati project, you'll see your project in here, right? Okay, since we are working in Jupyter Notebook, first you need to open the Jupyter Notebook. For that, you have to go to insert in the main menu and you'll find notebook option here. Click on this new notebook. Once you click on this new notebook, you can see that under your project you will see a new notebook has been created, and you can also rename this new notebook according to your wish. Firstly, let me wait for it to open for a while. Okay, it is taking time. Let's just wait for a while. Maybe my computer is getting slow, that's why. In the meantime, can I rename it? Let me just check if I can rename it. Okay, I can rename it. I'll just write the name of adding SSP to ZD. Okay, I'll just rename it like that. I'll be waiting for a while until it is opening. It's taking a lot of time. Okay, finally we're here. Now this is the page where you can write interface, where you can write the code. So when you are working with Shapefile or any special datasets, ArcGIS has this library import ArcPy. We call it ArcPy. So you always need to import this ArcPy if you are working with this ArcPy. So initially, what I always do is create an environment workspace so that everything that I created or run will be within this workspace. For this, you will have to write the code like this: arcpy.env.workspace, and you can write this R so that we will have convenience in writing the data. Okay, Once you are here, this is my project, so I will need to define the path of my project. I will give, okay, I can copy from this copy path and just paste it here. Okay, right, great. Then go here again. Now what you have to do is you need to provide the path of the shapefile from where you are importing the data. Okay. So I will be giving the name as shapefile path, same way, and you need to know where the data is. For the data, where you can go is go to this folder. See, we have added this data. If you want to see, okay, this is the shapefile that we were talking about, and it is inside this folder, right? You can copy from here also, or you can copy from GIS itself. So I'm going here and pasting it. Sorry, paste. Okay, I got the file, but at the same time, what you should not forget is you should add this name. Okay, I'll just copy all the file name and everything from here and paste it over here. Okay, great. You have defined this path. Now what you have to do is you have to create a geodatabase folder. Okay. For this, the same way, do this, and you have to check this database. See, in under the database that we are working, so I will have to click here and again right click, copy power path, click here and paste the code, sorry, paste the location. Once I add this, now what you can do is you can give the name of the output file. For example, I'll just write BZ Bagmati for Bagmati and district for this. Okay, and it is safer, so I'm just giving it the name so that I will be able to check whether I am able to add the actual file or not. Once it is done, now you have to write a code to import the data. For this, ArcPy.feature class to geodatabase, okay, and underscore CMBRSL. This is the function that you have to define, and under the function, what you have to do is you have to give the location, okay, location path, list, comma, and also output database. That's it. Okay, that's all. And for my understanding of knowing whether the code has run or not, for this I will just write this code: Shapefile imported successfully, and confirm what you can add one more thing as feature name, so that you will know what has been added. You can display this kind of name like feature name Bagmati district, like this. Okay, and also where did you import? You can also give this name output GDP, and that is just a way of printing. Okay, this is the code that you have to provide. Then after that, click on run and wait for it to work. If it is showing this symbol, then it is running. Yeah, see, it is showing there Shapefile imported successfully as busy district. So be given the name busy dist. So you can check, you can go and refresh your project and check under the database. You will see the file has been added here. Okay, yeah, that is how you can import your Shapefile. And thank you for watching.